Meteorologist Robert Spetty here with you. It's the overnight hours heading from your Monday into your Tuesday out here in the Western Pacific. I'm actually in the U.S. right now, so about noontime. And taking a look at the Western Pacific, though, a hot mess, if you will. I think that adequately describes what we have going on out here. A tropical depression just off the northeast coast of Luzon around Cagayan, and then straight towards the east of Leyte out here, you also have another area of low pressure that very well is going to wrap off here towards the north. This one going towards the west. All sorts of convection. It is the Western Pacific in mid-July. Fortunately for our friends here in the Philippines, they are getting all sorts of rainfall. You can see that here on this high-resolution Himawari 8 image just prior to sunset. You have that load straight towards the east of southeastern Luzon. Continue to track off there towards the north, mainly towards the north of Palau as well. All sorts of convection coming in with the southwest monsoon. Habagat actually has named this area even just towards the north of Luzon, Depression Henry. So with all of this going on, the main threat, I believe, is rainfall. A few locations, we're going to be looking at several hundred millimeters of precipitation. So the threat of flooding, especially in these mountainous and the low-lying terrains in the valleys, is going to be rather high as this low starts to creep off there towards the west. And our new low starts to develop there towards the east of Luzon, pulling off towards the north. And you can see that as we go ahead through your Monday into your Tuesday. Here comes this system cruising off there towards Hainan. But the key effect is that this stays south of an area of high pressure over southeastern China. You get that flow wrapping in here, a continued flow of moisture even through the Metro Manila area. You're going to be looking at that chance of some flooding as this next system develops and pulls off there towards the north. So definitely even urban flooding, get those poor drainage areas. That's going to be another threat as this continues to track away. And then really, this guy is my next worry as far as development for a potential typhoon. I think that this tropical depression is not really worrisome, but this could become a typhoon and eventually head off there towards Taiwan or the southern Japanese islands as we head into the week. And I'm showing you the ECMWF model, but if we compare it to the GFS, it also shows this area spinning up a low and cruising off there towards the southern Japanese islands, even over towards Taiwan. Kind of a Fujiwara effect going on here, sort of, with our low towards the west. And whenever we see that, plus an area of high pressure kind of blocking this, the confidence in exactly where a system like this would go is exceptionally low. And I think that's the key thing to keep in mind. So when I started off this update, we have a hot mess of sorts. I truly mean that. It's all over the place. For now, expect this tropical depression to pull towards the west. We have another area here. If this does develop, it's going to loop towards the north, but everybody in this area could see a significant tropical storm. The biggest threat, though, is just that continued flow of moisture with the southwest monsoon. I'm sorry for those of you out in the Philippines, but it is going to be wet over the coming days. I know this is just an initial update on this developing really setup out here. We got several areas we're continuing to watch. I'll keep you guys posted here, and yeah, just continue to check back in. Oh, check out westernpacificweather.wordpress.com website, kind of backup. I'm going to keep poking at that over the coming days. So yeah, as always, guys, stay safe out there.